You will need a developer edition to create a managed package. So visit developer.salesforce.com, click on the browse trial on top of the screen, click on the browse all trials again, and then click on sign up developer edition legacy. Fill your first name, last name, your email ID, your company name, your country, your state, postal code, username, which can be different from your email ID. This is the one which you will use to log in. Click on sign me up and wait for verification email to come in your inbox. While that email is coming through, we are going to log into our package org, where we will have our developer dev hub. So log into your license management org. So let me check my email. Okay, I received my email to create my developer edition. I will reset my password. Putting my new password, my security question. So this 2GP package org is my org where I will have my namespace. Remember, this is similar to what you have for 1GP package. So you will register a namespace here. I took 2GP demo as my namespace. So this org is only to register for your namespace. There's no other use for this org going forward. Once this process is done, let's go back to our license management org. So first we need to check if we have our environment hub set up. So we see the dev hub is already enabled in this org. My source tracking is enabled, and enable creating a second generation managed package is also enabled. Now let's register our namespace in this org. So for that, visit the namespace registries option. Click on link namespace. It will pop up and ask you to provide your detail. I'm getting my username from there. I will log in here with my username and the password. Requesting access, click on allow. So one thing you need to notice here, that it says that the org you are logging must be a developer edition with a register namespace. This is the expected error. You need to wait for some time before Salesforce propagate your namespace. I tried after some time again with the same username and a password, and this time I was able to successfully add my namespace in my license management org. So now my next step is that going into the Visual Studio now, I need to create a new package. So start with create project with manifest, select your project name. So I did the 2GP package, pick up my local directory. So I create a new folder and my package is set, my Visual Studio setup. If I check my SFDC project JSON here, I have my namespace, no org setup. So I will take my namespace prefix, which I pick up in my developer edition, put it in my SFDC project JSON. I need to log into my DevHub org here. I will again input my credentials and log into my DevHub org. I will verify I have my DevHub org setup. The next step I need to do is that create a package. So sf package create, putting my package name here, type manage, and I'm selecting my Force app directory. I need to set up my Scratch org to do all my development. So I'm now creating a Scratch org. Where I can do all sort of development. I picked up 7 days of, let's do the one day expiration time. Because now everything is source driven, I don't need to maintain my local version. It will take some time to create my Scratch org. Let's give a couple of minutes here. It takes almost 30 seconds to create a Scratch org in general. Okay, so my Scratch org got created. Let's open this Scratch org. So sfdx org list to just quickly see what is my Scratch org name. My Scratch org is scratch org underscore v1. So I'm opening my Scratch org by putting my sfdx command and my alias name of that Scratch org. Let's make some changes in this Scratch org. So I'm going to create a new permission set here. Let's name it account permission set. Let's add view all field permission in this account permission set. So if I check here now, it's under namespace because my Scratch org got created from that. Let's pull these changes in our directory. So sf project retrieve start command will pull changes from this org to my Visual Studio. Okay, I see all my changes. Next step, let's create a package version. I've defined a installation key here, but you can create a package without installation key. There are a couple of commands you can run during this process. If you're not putting your wait time, you can query this using other sfdx command. Okay, so a couple of more minutes we need to wait here. During this process, while it's happening, one thing you need to notice here that my SFDS project JSON, it has my version name, it has my version number, it has my PG demo package name. So once your package version is created, you will see an installation URL, which is right under in your terminal. You can also see my PG demo 1.0.1 under package aliases. Now you can install this package in the two way. You can create a new developer edition or any other org you have, and then you can take a package installation URL and install your package in that org for testing purpose. So I'm picking this one. I have this one of the developer edition here. If I log in to this org, I will only copy the last part of this URL, replace that with my package installation URL. It will ask me for my installation key, but if I check my package component, I see that it shows me account permission set. Another way to do is that create another scratch org. So it will create a scratch org here with this command. It will install my package. In few minutes, and I can dispose this scratch org after my validation. Okay, so my scratch org got created. It's deploying my package now. Let's open my demo org. So this is an automated way to validate your package once this is created. So let's check the installation package, install packages. And here you can see that my newly created package should be visible. Okay, so if you see, I have my package 0.1 version. It has a package. It's a managed package. My namespace prefix is there, and my version is 0.1. It then has the account permission set. So this is a very easy way to start developing in the 2 generation managed package.